Good day. Industrial compressor maintenance and troubleshooting learning will enhance the theoretical knowledge and hands-on skills for engineering graduates and those who have started their careers in the industries or academics. The learning compressor maintenance and troubleshooting provides students with practical skills for increased job opportunities, enhanced safety, improved system efficiency, and reduced operating cost. Career and skills development includes increased job opportunities, comprehensive knowledge, practical hands-on skills. System efficiency and cost saving, improved energy efficiency, extended equipment lifespan, reduced operating cost, operational and safety benefits, enhanced safety, simplified troubleshooting, improved reliability and uptime, better air quality. You are welcome to get enrolled in a course for which the link is given in the description. Feel free to contact via my WhatsApp link. Thank you for listening.